Samsung XE500C13-K03US Chromebook 3. Review deal discount unboxing setup. The Samsung Chromebook 3 in its best version. With 4GB of RAM and with a 32GB SSD for storage is a fine Chromebook. But, prices vary wildly, from $150 and up. So check prices carefully. Having 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage makes a big difference in performance compared with the Chromebook standard of 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. This is a Chromebook that goes beyond being a cheap laptop for students to being a high-quality device for professionals who are traveling and who will benefit from its very light 2.5-pound weight and its 9 hours of battery life. The keyboard is firm and crisp. The trackpad is smooth and precise and documents look sharp on the screen. Some folks bring a $1,000 Apple laptop to a conference for taking notes. The Samsung will work equally well for taking notes and sending email at a fraction of the Apple price. Pros. While sitting on a recliner, the machine works great ergonomically. Features a fully featured version of Chrome and Google Apps, not the dumbed down, functional but annoying Android versions. Chrome on the Chromebook fully mirrors Chrome on my two desktops. It has enough capacity to run Chrome and web apps without any major issues. A little slower than a desktop maybe, but not terribly so. Very lightweight. It is what it is. The keyboard is functional. It's a little smaller than I'd prefer, but that's an expected trade-off. Con. There is no option for a simplified waking password. You need to type in your real Google password anytime you to wake it up. Mine is quite involved, so it's involved every time. You can set it so your phone unlocks when nearby, but that doesn't always work. With a lot of futzing, you can get your cell phone to sort of unlock it. Sometimes. Though maybe it's my iffy iPhone. Tips. Once the updates downloaded and I rebooted the machine, it was fully functional. Stuff like Android Play Store and phone unlocking wouldn't work until I rebooted after the updates. Google how to use a Chrome mousepad. Knowing how and when to use 2 and 3 fingers really makes web browsing much easier. You can even right-click to pin tabs, Gmail, calendar, etc. you want to keep up permanently. Overall, this a great value for the money. I am extremely pleased. Easily the best of this sort of thing that I have ever owned. Update. I still love this machine. And now it's even $30 cheaper than when I bought it. Yesterday I installed the Linux version of Blender for a night class. It took some hacking skills, but eventually I got it running. Though once installed, it wasn't the best experience. I had to reboot a few times, but it was much better than I expected. I'll use my real computer for all my blending outside of class. But Blender running pretty good on a $200 machine. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.